I have now logged into the Salesforce system, this time as a service user. As a service user, managing customer cases, communicating efficiently with customers, and providing the right information for case resolution are the key responsibilities. Let me show you how Agentforce makes this process seamless and efficient. As you see on the screen, as I log into my system, I can see a dashboard which gives me a quick overview of the cases. I can see number of cases assigned to me, what are their priorities, what are the type of my cases which are assigned to me, and what is my resolution time, if how much I'm compliant with the SLA set by my company, and what is my response time. Now, as I start my day, I want to quickly get a summary of cases which were created yesterday so that I can start working on them. I'll ask the agent to give me the cases which were created yesterday. As you see, within a matter of seconds, the agent has given me the cases which were created yesterday, and I can apply the same filter like yesterday, today, or this week. I can simply ask the agent regarding the cases created based on a certain criteria. It could be based on the source which the case is created from, or the type of the case, priority of the case. I can ask the agent with different kinds of criteria, and the agent will reply with the cases which are created based on that particular criteria. Now, in this, I've asked the agent to give me the information of all the cases which are created yesterday, and I could see there's one case which is created. So I'll quickly start working on this case. I'll click on the case number to see what this case is about. Now I have the case record open, and I can see who created this case, where this case has come from, and what is the issue. Instead of going through multiple tabs in multiple places, I can simply ask the agent to summarize this case for me. As you see here, the agent has given me a quick summary about this case, that this case is originated from this customer, Sarah Johnson, from the website, which is the source of the case, regarding this error message that the service is temporarily unavailable. The case is currently assigned to a certain service executive, and the priority of the case is medium. So this is how quickly I can get a summary of this case, where I can get a clear understanding of where this case has come from, what is the priority, who raised this case, and from where they have created this case from. So I now want to quickly tell the customer that we are working on the case, and this particular case is covered under the premium support which they've availed. Let me do that. So I asked the agent to tell the customer that the case is being worked on, and let them know that it is covered under the premium service with the 24/7 follow the sun service. Now the agent has given me a email which basically tells the customer that we are currently working on the case and it is covered in the premium service, right? So I can either draft this email, copy this draft and paste it in my own email and send it manually, or I can also click on send email, as you've seen in my previous demo. Now that I've communicated with the customer that this case is being worked upon and this covers under the premium support which they've availed, let me check internally in my system that if there are any solutions available for the similar error message which customers get. Let me ask the agent to check the system, or to check Salesforce. What are the suggested solutions for this message which the customer has raised a case on? The agent now gave me a response by intelligently checking the system, the knowledge articles which are there in the system, and provided me with a resolution on this particular case that for this error message, these are the steps the customer needs to do. Now, I can also check the sources where the agent has given me that these are the sources where the reply has come from. I can quickly check the source and check the knowledge article in Salesforce that for the error message service is temporarily unavailable, what is a resolution, right? And now I want to communicate the same with the customer. I don't have to send an email manually, or I don't have to type all of this in my email. All I have to do is tell the agent to summarize this email in 5 steps and send it to the customer. Here you go. The agent has drafted this email with the summary of the knowledge article which we have in the system, and it, like we asked, it has summarized them in 5 simple and clear steps. This is how efficiently I can use the agent to resolve my entire, the cases which are created and assigned to me. And unlike working on each of these cases, I can simply chat with the agent to get the information on the case, to understand where the cases come from and what is the issue of that case, to also ask the agent to communicate that we are working on that case to the customer directly by asking the agent to send an email, and also ask the agent to check whether the solution is for the particular issue is already there in our knowledge articles.